Welcome to a new class. Assalamu alaikum. This specific class is devoted to people who like learning languages through songs, who still confuse possessive suffixes and you still don't know how to say them, how to use them. So this class is devoted to you. And we will be learning the song called Yuragim, which means my heart. Let's go. Let's start. And to remind you that when we were learning possessive suffixes, we mentioned, and if you haven't watched those videos, go back and watch them, that all nouns that end with K, they change to, the K sound changes to G when we add im suffix. For example, when we're trying to say my heart, we need to add im suffix, but K changes to G. Yurak becomes yuragim. Your heart becomes yuraging. His, her heart becomes yuragi. And there are lots of such words ending with K. For example, ring, uzuk, koylak, dress or t-shirt, shirt, kozaynak, glasses. And they all end with K. And all words that end with K, they change to G when we add possessive suffixes. All of them. And if you haven't memorized it, and if you're confused still, this is the way to memorize, and learning a song is the best way to sort of never confuse it anymore. And you know, sometimes I question my students and ask them, how do you say, especially if they're just learning Uzbek, I ask them, how do you say my name is blah blah blah? And sometimes they say meaning is mum, for example, John. And I say, oh, you already know the rule regarding possessive suffixes, because if you're saying meaning is mum, then you already know that you need to add im ending. But sometimes I hear meaning is m. I'm like, what? Ism. I'm like, Isma is his or her name. You know, meaning is my, Isma is his or her name. So it's clear that a student is still confusing when I add m, when I don't add m. Therefore, the song, today's song will help for sure to memorize this rule for forever and never confuse it anymore. So the band Dado was really popular in 2000s, and their songs were mainly in Uzbek. Sometimes they had Russian words, sometimes they were in Russian, but majority were in Uzbek, very popular, very romantic. And one specific song, Yuragim, My Heart, is the most popular song which we still like to hear, like to listen to. And I would like to start reading the lines of the song. And I have the translation too, but I'll be highlighting those words that have possessive suffixes, okay? So let's start reading the song. Sometimes I'll be reading, sometimes I'll be singing. Mayus mahzun kunlar, yuragim, sensiz yorib yolg'iz dilda yorib, dilda zorim, yuragim, bedor uzun tunlar, yuragim, yo'qdir ixtiyorim, yo'q qarorim, yuragim. Okay, hold on, I'll translate. Mayus maghzun kunlar. Kun, you already know. Khairli kun. Good afternoon, right? Kun. Kunlar is days. So what's mayus and maghzun? Maghzuns. Mayus is sad. Maghzun, dreary. So like sad, dreary days. My heart. Sensiz, without you. Yorim, you are my loved ones, my beloved one. Yolg'iz, only. Dil, my soul or my heart or in my heart. Dilda, zorim, in my heart, the only need I have, the only need I have in my soul, yuragim, you, my heart. Bedar uzun tunlar, tun, you know, hayli tun, good night. Tunlar, nights. Something about nights. So what's bedar and uzun? Bedar is sleepless. Uzun is long. Sleepless, long nights. The nights are long and sleepless. Yuragim, my heart. Yokdir, yok is no, right? Yokdir is there is no, there isn't. Ikhtiyarım, my will. Yok kararım, my decision. Like there's no desire, my decision, like solution, my heart. So someone is very lonely and someone is suffering, right? Len, the next part of the first verse. Yondim, yonmok is to be on fire. The dim part is past simple. Yondim, kıldım, aytdım, dim part, right? Yondim, ishqingda men. Ishq is love. Muhabbat, sevgi, ishq, 3 words, very popular. They all mean love. Yondim, ishqingda men. Your love put me on fire, basically. Burning with love for you. This could be also poetic translation. Nichun is also means like why. Etmasan parvo. Why you don't pay attention? Why you don't see me? Why you don't notice me? Sen be parvo. This is verb and this is adjective. The same word, parvo etmasan. Parvo etmok is like pay attention. Be parvo is adjective. So why you're not reacting? Why you're indifferent? Shutun, tun, again, night. Utanaman is I beg you. I'm begging you, right? I'm begging you. Sen qinama. Qinamok is to torture. Sen qinama, don't torture. Mene, me. Gozal, gozal is beautiful. My beauty. My beauty. So, yandım ışkingda men, yuragim, nechun etmasan parvosan be parvo, yuragim, şutun otınaman, yuragim, sen qinama meni, o gozalim, gozalim. Yuragim kalbimda tanho, sensen tilagim zor etma aslo. Derdimni olgin, yonimda bo'lgin yuragim. Isn't it beautiful? I like it. Even take away the lyrics. Just leave the melody. It's still nice. Yuragim, my heart. Kalbim, my soul. Kalbim, da, in my soul. Tanho, the one. The one. Tanho. Siensan, you are the tilak. Tilak is my will, my desire. But tilak ends with k, right? Like yurak. So when we are saying you are my desire, k changes to g. Siensan tilagim, you are my desire. Zor etma asla, don't put me in need, like don't make me needy. Dardimni olgin, dard is my pain. Dardim is like dard is pain, dardim is my pain. Dardimni olgin, take away my pain. Yonimda bo'lgin, be beside me. Yuragim, my heart. And here is the translation. Yeah? Take away my suffering, be my heart, be near me, be beside me. Okay, now what we're gonna do, I want us to count how many possessive endings we have, how many possessive suffixes we have from the beginning till that part of the song. Ready? Mayus mahzun kunlar yuragim 1. Sensiz yorim 2. Yolg'iz dilda zorim 3. Yuragim 4. Bedor uzun tunlar yuragim 5. Yog'dir ixtiyorim 6. Yo'q qarorim 7. Yuragim 8. Yondim ishqing. Ishqing is your. It's not but it's about you. 9. Men yuragim 10. Nechun etmassan parvosan beparvo yuragim 11. Shutun otinaman yuragim 12. Sen qiynama meni go'zalim 13. Go'zalim 14. Yuragim 15. Qalbimda 16. Tanho sensan tilagim 17. Zor etma aslo dardimni olgin 18. Yonimda 19 bo'lgin yuragim 20. Oh my god, 20 times. Would you repeat it yourself 20 times, like in normal daily life? Okay, let's say uzuk. Uzugim, 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 uzugim. No, you wouldn't repeat it 20 times in real life just to, practice this rule. But with a song, you don't even notice that it's at least 20 times. And it's just the first part of the song. We haven't even looked at the second part. And this is going to be your task. And let me know what you think about the method. Are you the person who likes learning songs through emotional context? I'm kind of person who likes learning songs through movies, books, songs. And yes, grammar textbooks are also good. And I like, recording, looking at the rule, structure, and it helps for sure. But I have noticed that my brain learns faster, learns effective if I have context, if I have emotions, if I'm exposed to different situations where people show their emotions, and through those emotions, I learn the language they are describing their emotions with. And this song also about that, about suffering, about love, about, torture, being away, feeling lonely. And all those emotions help us learn so many words and so much grammar by default. Let me know what kind of learner you are. Do you like grammar? You like structure? You like tables? You like context? You like emotions? You like, learning from speaking and putting yourself into those situations. And of course, I will be really glad to read any comments regarding this lesson. Va albatta, izohlarda sizlarni kutib qolaman. Be my guest in my Telegram channel. Va keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha like bosishni unutmang. Xayr!